Okay, show the filters. Let me change this to single value drop down. Let me show this filter. I change this to single value drop down. And show filter. And yeah. Come to all. And then yeah, show me, let's see North Carolina real quick. Show me school, full-time enrollment for North Carolina public universities for the last 3 years, or from 2018 to 2020. And yeah, so you can see right here. So you can see our data set is pretty good. No anomalies. And yeah, so that's a quick little preview in Tableau. If I wanted to publish this, I could always go here, Tableau public, save to public, as save, and yeah. Let me exile this. No. Okay, so now we're back to Tableau Prep. And if I want to export this clean data set now, I'm trying to hit the plus, hit output, and I can name the file. Name it clean education, the higher education info. Just gonna save here, do that, and then I have to run the flow. Done. Again, we'll replace, yeah. So now it's done. Go on my files. I think it's under some convoluted, under a whole bunch of stuff. Documents. Data sources. And you go to clean higher education info. And create a Tableau extract. I save it to my local computer, and it is here. And I can view it in Tableau desktop. So yeah, that's how you use Tableau Prep to clean your data as much as you can. Thank you.